Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the SSD and entering BIOS now. This prevents device conflicts and speeds diagnosis. Once in BIOS, verify the drive is detected and set as the primary boot device. Make sure SATA mode is correct, ASI for modern SSDs, because the wrong mode can prevent Windows from loading. If secure boot or legacy settings block detection, toggle them briefly to test. Save changes and reboot to see if the SSD is now recognized and starts the OS. Once BIOS points to the SSD, use recovery media to repair the boot environment. This fixes corrupted records that stop booting. You'll run automatic repair first, and if needed, open command prompt to execute bootrec/fixember, bootrec/fixboot, and bootrec/rebuild to restore the bootloader and BCD entries. Also run chkdsk on the SSD to correct file system errors, and use diskpart to set the correct partition active when using MBR. These steps restore. You finish by rebooting without recovery media to confirm a successful boot. This validates that the firmware and bootloader now cooperate. If the drive still won't boot, update the SSD firmware or perform a clean OS reinstall only after backups, because corrupted firmware or system files can require a fresh image. Make sure to test the SSD in a second machine or run the vendor's diagnostic tool to isolate hardware failure. If diagnostics fail, consider RMA or replacement. The hardware fault will not be fixed by software alone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.